Toyota Furniture Defender 2025, the off-road luxury SUV segment beat all segment. The Toyota Furniture Defender is a cutting-edge solution designed to help protect your furniture from daily wear and tear, spills, and stains. Made from high-quality materials, this product offers a reliable and durable shield for your couches, chairs, and other furniture pieces. Whether you have kids, pets, or simply want to preserve the look of your furniture, the Furniture Defender provides an easy way to maintain its appearance while reducing the need for costly repairs or replacements. Beyond its protective features, the Toyota Furniture Defender is designed with convenience in mind. It is simple to install, easy to clean, and fits seamlessly with various styles and sizes of furniture. By offering both practicality and style, this innovative accessory ensures that your furniture stays looking brand new for years to come. Experience peace of mind and long-lasting furniture protection with the Toyota Furniture Defender.